kids, Commander Frosty here. Let's listen to a story while we draw together. Choo Choo the train was a chugalicious marvel. Bright red with a yellow smile, he zipped through meadows, munched on mountains, and slurped up sunshine for fuel. But Choo Choo had a secret. He wasn't as fast as the fancy express trains. Sometimes, when they zoomed past in a blur of silver and sneers, Choo Choo felt a pang of puff-puff jealousy. One blustery morning, the wind whispered a wee-wee idea in Choo Choo's funnel. "Hey," it whistled, "pretend you're super speedy. Just, don't tell anyone." Choo Choo, tempted by the thought of outrunning those snooty express trains, puffed up his smokestacks and chugged with all his might. He rattled past cows who mooed in surprise, chickens who clucked in confusion, and even a grumpy old sheepdog who barked, "Slow down, you rusty rattletrap." But Choo Choo just hooted his horn and kept going, his wheels spinning like blenders, making mashed potatoes. Then, trouble whistled its way onto the tracks. A bridge, weakened by the wind, groaned and wobbled. Choo Choo, still pretending to be a speed demon, charged towards it like a bull at a gate. But just as he reached the middle, the bridge gave a mighty crack, and one side dipped down, sending Choo Choo tilting precariously. Panic whistled in his boiler. He screeched his brakes, and his wheels were screeching like sneakers on a squeaky gym floor. But it was too late. Choo Choo teetered on the edge, his whistle whimpering like a scared puppy. Suddenly, a strong, steady hand reached down and grabbed his bumper. It was the big blue rescue engine, Chugsworth, who had seen Choo Choo's wobbly stunt and rushed to help. With a mighty groan, Chugsworth pulled Choo Choo back onto the safe tracks, his face grim. "Choo Choo," he rumbled, "speeding is never a good idea, especially when you're not, speedy." Choo Choo, his smokestacks drooping like wilted flowers, confessed everything. He admitted his jealousy, his lie, and his wobbly bridge incident. Chugsworth chuckled, a sound like rocks tumbling down a hill. "Everyone has their own pace, Choo Choo," he said. "And honesty is like good coal. It keeps your engine running smoothly, even when you make mistakes." Choo Choo, feeling lighter than a feather, chugged on, his whistle singing a happy tune. He learned that day that honesty, even when it's hard, is always the best way to go. And as for the express trains, Choo Choo still admired their sleekness, but he knew he was special too. A chugalicious marvel in his own right. And that, he realized with a happy puff, was something to toot about. So remember, kids, just like Choo Choo, it's always best to be honest, even if you're feeling a little wobbly. Because, in the end, truthfulness is the fuel that keeps your friendships, your adventures, and your own Choo Choo-ness running smoothly, all the way to the happily ever after station. All right, kids, this is Commander Frosty signing off.